Alright, we waiting on package to come, but this package came, and the box, I don't know, man, it's shipping a little bit rough, but Storm helmet, cause J.O.A.T got a birthday present coming to the J.O.A.T. So we're gonna unbox this Storm helmet and see what it look like. Safety first. Got a nice little bag it come in. Look at that. Storm with the lightning bolt. Get this baggie open, baby. They got it wrapped up. I don't want you in here. Oh, one pull.
The box says one Storm.
That's Storm, man. Is that a one?
It is.
One Storm helmet? Well, I thought it was a Storm. You know what I'm saying? Woo! One Storm. Man, look at that right there, baby. Look like a little. See, I got the large. So let's see if large works. Got this clip right here. How you get this out? Oh yeah, so that, got the little ratchet. Look, ratchet. Pull this out. That come out. All right, we got a little motorcycle helmet guide. Let me see. I got my glasses on. Can I do this? Is the large the right size for this noggin right here? Oh, look tight. That don't feel bad. It's right down my cheeks. Feel like it's in there. Let's throw these on. Can I get my glasses on? Oh, I got my glasses. Can you hear me? Is it covering my mouth and my nose right? Is that right? Is that how it's supposed to fit? I don't know. Is this how it's supposed to fit? You tell me.
Ain't there a visor?
In the comments. Nah, no visor. You can wear goggles with it. Strap that in. That's tight. Plenty of room. What we got here? So, let's see. I need to pull this. I don't know. It ain't tightening for me, is it? Yeah. Is that it? Yeah. What we got? Is it right? Pull that. Maybe you're supposed to adjust this before you put it on. I don't know. But, there we go. We got something. We still ain't all the way. There we go. What we got now? Yep. Now we getting. The large must be the right size, because if it was any bigger, I wouldn't be able to tighten this up like this. So we gonna get this tighter. But this dude is on there. What we think? We in the game? Yeah. We might be ready, but I'm waiting on my package to come. We're gonna see, but this is the one Storm helmet. And hey, seems like it's alright right now. It's right on my cheeks. I don't know if you can hear me good. I don't know if my nose is supposed to be this far up or what. Y'all tell me, but I don't know. I don't guess I could get messed up if I hit the ground. Peace.